How to change your username on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can change your username on Twitter, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your username on Twitter, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Twitter app first. Make sure you're signed into your account. Then tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side, and from the bottom, expand the menu called Settings and Support. Scroll down, choose the gear icon called Settings and Privacy. And once you come to Settings and Privacy, here you want to come to the option called Account from the very top, and then again you will find the option called Account Information. After that, if you want to change the username, from the very top you can find the option called Username. All you have to do is tap on it and then enter the new name that you would like to use. Once you enter the new name, if the name change is available, you'll see the green check mark from the right hand side, and then you can tap on the done button from the bottom. And once you've done so, you would have successfully changed your username on Twitter. That is basically how you can change your username on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.